How to fix World Cricket Battle 2 login problem. So if you want to fix your World Cricket Battle 2 login problem, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your settings application. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then go with apps. Under apps, you need to go with manage apps, and here you need to go with search and search for Cricket Battle. Once you find the application, which is World Cricket Battle 2, you need to tap on it and then scroll down and then go with manage space, which will be on the bottom, and free up some storage. Or you may also have an option of clear cache. You need to just simply go and clear the cache. Or you can force stop the application. If you're facing more issues, you can go with force stop, which will be on the left side, and tap on OK. After that, you need to go back. And now if you have any updates on your application, you can go and update it. For that, you need to open up your Play Store, go with your search, and search for the application. After searching, go with update if you have any updates, and after updating, your problem will be fixed. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.